Hey there YouTube, George here. Little annoyance with the 5 Series, and if you're here watching this video, you probably have the same problem. Driving along, going over speed bumps, even just rough road, whatever, you hear this kind of creaking coming from the dash, and it sounds like it's coming from in behind the center iDrive display screen in the middle of the dash. I actually had the dash of mine apart, thinking that there was something loose in there, and I think I've discovered what the problem is. So we'll have a look at it in this video and we'll see if indeed that's what the problem is and we can cure it. So I lost a little footage there because I forgot to hit record. So what I've done is I've drilled out the block there that this thing bolts into, and I tapped it to next size up, which was M10, and got a couple of new bolts here, washers, just putting a bit of Loctite on them now. I need to go mad with the Loctite, you want to be able to get them out again, so this little place down the road is like a farmer's co-op, and they're so cheap for stuff. 2 bolts, 2 washers, 40 cent. Where would you get it? Now, the key here is not to go mad tightening these, because you're only going into aluminium. Just tighten them by hand first. Give them a little go of the ratchet then. That's plenty. Oh, that should do the job. Oh, we get the other ends in now. Nice. That's quite solid now, which is good. I'll put the rest of this back together now. There we go. Now, one bit you want to be very sure about here is getting it to seal properly around these ducts here. There's like a rubber gasket. You need to get it to sit down good and tight on them, or you'll have leaks into the passenger compartment. You don't want that. It's like a little locking mechanism on them, like a quarter turn, so it's pulled down good and tight. And there's this corner piece goes in here. Or is it this way? Yeah, I think it's that way. Get in there. Right, so that goes there like that. This clips onto the lid of the filter when you put it in. So what you do with this is you just, pieces sticking out of the back, you hook them in. Click that in there. Another quarter turn fastener there. Let's put the other side back in. So one overlaps the other here. You'll see the line on them. And they lock together like that. You get the center piece. It's like this clip. So, you know, like that right around. Like that. You just click it in. That's it. It goes, just holds the whole lot together. Put your corner piece back in. Get in there. That's it. Right. So the only thing left to go back on then is this rubber seal. That's it, all back together. So I'm bringing it for a drive now and see, is it quiet? It should be. Make sure you have all your tools out before you close the bonnet. You don't want to be looking at a screwdriver poking up through the bonnet when you close it. And it's very easy to do. I can tell you already it's gone. It's gone. Just to hear it creaking away. I had all this apart here one day. I thought there was something in the dash causing it. I was under the bonnet another day and I grabbed hold of the strut brace and I kind of noticed it was loose. So that's what was wrong. It does say in the manual that if you take that strut brace off when you're putting it back on, sorry no, you have to use new bolts. Anyway, if you've got a creaky dash, that's how you fix it. And you'll probably have to drill it out, I'd say, and tap it to M10, because there was nothing left of the threads, so I didn't have any choice but to go down that route. Completely gone. Quite pleased with that now. Okay, that's it. We'll get you in the next one. More to come.